Hey Principal People, Mike, your resident gear guy here. Today we are going to take a look at something really special. This is a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas base camp, and we made some improvements so that you can go off-roading better. Why don't you come check them out? The wheel wells and door sides have been fortified to better protect your clear coat against rocks you might kick up while off-roading. We beefed up the front and rear bumper to better protect your vehicle from any obstacles it might encounter. And this base camp badging is almost as stylish as I am. Finally, Volkswagen collaborated with 1552 out of California to bring you these unique 10-spoke, 17-inch alloy wheels. You can also put your choice of off-roading tire on it. These are Pirelli all-terrains. And the best part is, Principal Volkswagen Service Department can put this on any 2021 Volkswagen Atlas with a trailer hitch. Just give us a call at 972-659-9999 or come see us at 2035 West Airport Freeway for more information. Look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye for now.